Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this XIAOMI. You need to start by opening Clock app. Now select Alarm section at the top on the left if it's not already on. To create your alarm, tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour. Now you can choose repeat. If you want to set up once, you can also click on this switcher next to delete after it goes off. If you want to, you can always tap on repeat again and select one of the other options, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will set up custom, so now I have to pick days of the week, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays, and save them by choosing OK. Now click on this little icon next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations. After that, click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and then hit OK. Now you can tap on ringtone and select local or pre-installed one. If you want to pick music from your smartphone, click on local ringtone, select allow in the pop-up, and pick one of those sources, like music. Then click on allow again, tap on the song that you wish to set up, and choose OK at the top right corner. You can also choose pre-installed ringtones and tap on apply next to the best one, like breeze. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. After that, you can tap on the back button twice and save your alarm thanks to this icon at the top right corner, checkmark. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it and making your changes. In order to discard them, click on the top left corner, and in order to save them, on the top right one. You can switch off your alarm completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. Then switch it back on the same way. In order to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it, select delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. To adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!